Hello and welcome to a learning video. My name is Professor SpongeBob.
And my name is Professor Tweety.
And we are the people who ask to give you more knowledge. What does knowledge mean? It means facts. Okay.
Tweety?
Yes.
What are these?
Oh,
These are the planets of the solar system.
it says the solar system.
Yeah.
Okay. Should we begin? Yes! I'll take that as a yes. Okay. Let's jump in. So, the solar system consists of... Wait, what does consists of mean? Please don't interrupt my speaking. And consists of mean it has. Oh. So the solar system consists of 8 planets. But a cool fact. Did you know there used to be 9 when Pluto was considered as a planet?
Yeah.
What does considered as mean? It means it was a planet. But
Me, I want to say it.
No. But in the year 2006, scientists at the IAU considered Pluto as a dwarf planet. We'll take about dwarf planets in another episode, but
Because it was too small.
yes, there are 3 rules to be a planet, but these are also in another episode. Okay, so let's dive in. So, right now, there are 8 planets in the solar system.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Oh, and by the way, don't forget the sun. The sun is not a planet.
It's a star.
It's a medium-sized star, as it says.
So, can I read it out?
No. I'll be teaching. Okay. So, let's begin with the sun. Okay. So, the sun, it says here, it is a medium-sized star. It emits light and heat. What does emits mean? It means radiate. And what does radiate mean? It means it makes. Oh. Wait, we're gonna say facts about the sun.
The sun.
Why are you hurrying so much?
Sorry, I don't know what to do.
Whatever. So, the sun is a yellow dwarf star, which means it is a medium-sized star, which is yellow. But another cool fact. Did you know the sun is actually white, not yellow? Then why is it called a yellow dwarf star if it's not yellow? Well, because from the Earth, the sun looks yellow. By the way, just to tell you, please do not look at the sun. You may go blind. What does blind mean? It means you can't see.
And if you get near it, you might get burnt and die.
You might? You will.
You will. So, don't travel to this.
Okay. But, as I said, a cool fact about the sun, it is white. But, the reason why it looks yellow on Earth is because of the Earth's atmosphere. We'll take that also in another episode. So, let's get more facts about the sun.
And actually, in real life, it is white, yeah, but red and yellow.
Okay, but don't interrupt me. Okay. So, as I said, the sun is a yellow dwarf star, and it is the biggest thing in the solar system. Look. The solar system consists of many things. Planets, the sun, asteroids, comets, meteors, meteoroids. But the sun takes up 99% of the solar system. Is that big? Of course that's big.
It's big. It's almost to 100 big.
reason why the planets orbit the sun is because of the sun's gravity. Everything in the universe has gravity. Like these pyramids have gravity. But the reason why you don't feel it is because they're so unbelievably small. Hey, that's not nice.
In real life, they're bigger.
Yes, but they still don't have much gravity. But Earth is so big, and the sun is also so big that, look, let's get your sun. Let's make him fall.
That's because there is gravity. But if gravity wasn't existing, you would already be flying.
You would be in space. Okay, enough of the sun.
Now on to Mercury.
Mercury. It says here the nearest planet to the sun, as you see. A very, very cool fact about Mercury. It is the closest planet to all planets in the solar system. What does closest mean? Which means it's most of the time it is the closest to all planets in the solar system.
And Bigfoot, look, just don't interrupt us.
Okay. Mercury is the smallest planet and is the nearest to the sun. But a cool fact, it is not the hottest. Why? Because it doesn't have an atmosphere. Which means, in day and night, you see shining stars, including the sun.
Yeah.
Another fact. One side of Mercury, the side that faces the sun, is so unbelievably hot, it melts you. But the other side is so unbelievably freezing, that you'll freeze.
But in the middle, it's warm.
Yes. And humans may go to Mercury and live on it. Technology!
Okay, but just before we go on to the next one, I just want to tell you.
We're not going on to the next one. We're still at Mercury.
Okay, but just I need to tell you, Mars does not have any water.
We still didn't reach Mars.
I know. I'm just saying before we reach it.
Okay. Mercury is one of the terrestrial planets. What are those planets? They are the first 4 planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. They are terrestrial planets, which means they are made of rock. What? Mercury's made of rock? Of course.
Yeah. But all of them are made of rocks.
No. Except for the terrestrial planets. They're made of rocks. Okay. Mercury is not only gray, it has a bit of colors. That's a fact. And by the way, every year, Mercury is shrinking. Why? I don't know. But all I know is every year it shrinks. By a teeny tiny.
Like last year.
Tweety, don't interrupt. Hello, darkness, my old friend.
They're just making me sad.
Okay. And Mercury is 38% of the Earth's diameter. What does that mean? Which means if you put 3 Mercuries next to each other, they'll be a little bit bigger than the Earth.
Can I say what I want now?
Yes, but quick, because the video's already long.
Okay, so Mercury last year was a bit bigger, but this year it's a bit smaller. Next year it's going to be smaller.
Yes. On to the second planet, Venus. It says the beautiful planet, and I do agree, it is a beautiful planet. But I like Jupiter the most and Saturn.
A fact. It's actually Earth's sister.
Well, that's what it's called, but it's actually almost the opposite of Earth. It is so unbelievably hot. The only reason why they call it Earth's sister is because it is almost the same size. 95% of Earth's diameter, which means it's kind of like Earth. But the things that Venus is different from Earth at, it is It's unbelievably boiling temperatures.
So it's the hottest.
Yes, it is the hottest planet in the solar system. But wait, why is it Mercury hotter? It's closer to the sun. See? Venus is farther. I know. But the reason why Venus is hotter is because it has a thick atmosphere. Very thick atmosphere indeed. Almost 90 times thicker than Earth's. Wow, I know. And this thick atmosphere traps heat from the sun, warming the planet up. And it only leaves a tiny bit of heat to leave, which makes it even hotter.
Wait, SpongeBob, why are we not saying about the space itself?
Because that is a big topic.
I just want to say something about it.
Please no.
Why?
Okay. And by the way, it rains sulfuric acid on Venus. Wait, it rains acid on Venus? Yes. Why? Because of Venus's clouds. They're also made of sulfuric acid. So it's like acid rain on Venus. Acid rain planet. Why are you blaming me? Next up, Earth. The planet where we live. It is a watery planet, as water occupies most of it. What does that mean? Well, the first sentence is easy. It is a planet where we live on. The second sentence, it means it is called a watery planet, which means it has a lot of water on it. Okay. It is a nice planet, and it's the only planet I've visited. Okay. So then, Earth consists of 5 oceans. We'll take them in another episode. And 7 continents.
A cool fact, Earth has all of the continents.
Yeah.
And has lots of oceans.
Yeah, 5 oceans. And it has 7 continents. Some people may say it's 5. Some people may say it's 4. Some people may say it's 8. Some people may say it's 6. But at the normal, it is 7.
Yeah.
And by the way, just to tell you, it is the only planet which has life on it.
Yeah.
And it is very different from ways to another. Swamps, deserts, oceans, land, ice, icebergs, glaciers, snow. It's very different. Looks like Tweety has fainted because of all these stuff. Earth is an awesome place. Oh, and by the way, did you know the core of the Earth is even hotter than the surface of the sun? What does that mean? What is the core of the Earth? The core of the Earth is the center of the Earth, which means if we dig down in the Earth, we'll reach the core.
Please don't remind me.
Whatever. And that core is 6,000 degrees Celsius. Oh my! And the sun's surface is only 5,500 degrees Celsius. So, it's very hot down there. Okay, next planet. Oh, wait. Not next planet. And by the way, in this video, we'll actually tell you about how many moons every planet has. Just to tell you.
Mercury has 0.
Venus has 0. Earth has 1. But we don't just... Okay. Next planet. Mars. It is a red planet because its rocks contain iron. That is true. But not the iron you're thinking of. There's a substance in Mars's rocks. It's called iron oxide. And it gives it its red color. And by the way, it has glaciers on the top and bottom, which means we could melt them and make oceans and live on Mars. Wow.
Wait, guys, I need to tell you something. There's something between Mars and Jupiter.
Yes, we'll say. But when we get to it. Okay. 2 moons. Oh wait, just to tell you, the name of Earth's moon is the Moon. I think you've heard of it before,
Yeah.
and I think you've seen it before, so I don't have to say much about it.
And that's the moon you see at night.
Yes. Okay, Mars has 2 moons. What are they called? Phobos and Deimos. What?
Phobos and Deimos.
Phobos and Deimos. Scientists think that Mars's moons aren't actually moons. They may be asteroids from the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. They say that Jupiter might have pulled them away to Mars. And by the way, Mars's moons are not circles or spheres as Earth's. They're very small and they are shaped like potatoes. Say!
Where's the moon?
It's not in here!
But it's a planet.
What?
It's a planet. Is it? It's a moon.
Okay, so then we reach the asteroid belt, which was between Mars and Jupiter. It consists of a lot, 6 years later, and a lot of asteroids, rocks, comets, asteroids, rocks. You've said that. Whatever. On to the next planet, Jupiter, the biggest planet. That's all.
But a fact. This red thing here, it's called Jupiter's spot.
It's called the Great Red Spot.
The Great Red Spot. And inside, it is so windy, full of glass, and you might gas, and you might die there.
You will die.
So if you visit that guy, say bye-bye to yourself.
Okay, so Jupiter is, of course, the biggest planet in the solar system,
As it says.
and it has 79 moons. And I can't say all of their names, because I don't know all their names. Imagine me listing off all 79 moons. Whatever. But I will say the 4 biggest moons of Jupiter. They are called Ganymede, Io, Europa, and Callisto.
Callisto.
Collect the O? No!
Calexo!
Callisto.
Callisto.
And Jupiter is a gas giant. Meaning, oh wait, just to tell you, from the beginning of Jupiter and out to Neptune, these planets are called Jovian planets.
Jovian planet.
Which means they're made of gas.
Yeah.
Whatever. So, Jupiter consists of a lot of gas because it's a gas giant. And it has the Great Red Spot, just like what Tweety said. That Great Red Spot, scientists think it may have been there for more than 400 years.
And they say it might disappear.
Yeah, it will disappear. It lasted so long. No! Whatever. And by the way, Jupiter's core is actually made of rock. Just for you to know. Next planet, Saturn. It has colored rings around it. And, fact, it has 82 moons.
82 moons. 82 moons.
I will not be listing them.
Yeah!
I'll only say one of them, and it's the biggest.
It has more moons than
Jupiter. And I'll say the biggest moon of it, Titan. Not Teen Titans Go. And just a fact, Thanos was born on Titan.
Anyway, so I'm going to say something. That Jupiter used to have more moons than Saturn.
But they found more. Why would you take the place from me? Whatever. Saturn also has colored rings, just like what it said, and it has thousands of them. And I'm not saying them.
Don't say.
I don't even know what are they.
Can we move on to the next?
But all I know is I know a few rings. Ring A, ring B, ring C.
Okay, let's move on.
It's a gas giant. It's the second biggest planet in the solar system.
We move on.
Uranus.
Not Uranus. Uranus.
Shush!
Just don't say that, cause no.
Just call it Uranus. Don't listen to Tweety.
Yeah. Just listen to me, but don't say that.
Okay.
Anyway, it erupts on its side. What?
It rotates on its side.
That's what I mean.
It's called the cold planet because it is the coldest planet in the solar system. Temperatures there reach negative 300 degrees Celsius.
Well, you might be saying, well, Neptune should be better because it's the last and it's darker. Well, that's not true.
Well, why? Because Uranus its core doesn't make much heat. Neptune's makes more heat than Uranus, so Uranus is colder. And it's blue. Why? Because of methane. Methane, a lot together, gives you this color that Uranus has. And by the way, Uranus does have rings. 13, in fact.
And as I said, it rotates.
Rotates. Yes. And it has 13 rings. But they're very thin and you won't be able to see them.
Yeah. Even if you zoom in, you can't see them.
See? I zoomed in so much and I can't see them.
They did not add.
Wait, that's Saturn. No, that's Uranus.
They didn't put it here anyway.
Whatever. The last planet, Neptune.
The blue planet.
The blue planet.
So,
Why is it blue? Because of methane.
and it has a.
Wait! Rewind. And Uranus has 27 moons. Fast forward. And Neptune has 14 moons. And I'm gonna say one of them. Triton.
Not Titan or Titans Go. Triton.
Yes, Triton. And it is a big moon. A pretty big moon.
I need to say something. It has a blue spot, but not a red spot.
Yeah. It's called the Great Dark Spot.
Yeah, great.
And another fact. Neptune has the fastest winds in the solar system. So fast, they reach over 2,100 miles an hour. So if I... Cut! Okay, we better finish this video before it falls. So as I said, it has 14 moons.
That's what I was asking.
One of them is called Triton. What was he asking?
I don't know. So something. So if I something.
So if I go there, I'll fly. You'll fly and die.
Yeah.
Okay. And it takes 165 years for it to orbit the sun.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye. Bye. The end.